You know that feeling when you wake up in the morning when you feel heavy, run down, and lethargic? Your belly looks like it blew up into a balloon overnight, making your pants impossible to button as you praise the invention of yoga pants and elastic waists. It's morning bloat, and you've learned to live with it, but do you really have to? Is it something to resign yourself to because morning bloating has been a part of your life for so long? Of course not, according to health experts. Bloating is defined as the abdomen feeling both full and tight, with your belly looking both distended and swollen, which leads to that balloon look. There are certainly ways to prevent morning bloating that can involve either an entire change in your lifestyle and diet or just some small tweaks here and there so you wake up with energy, a flatter belly, and a positive attitude, leading to a better day ahead of wearing your favorite clothing with comfort and ease. What causes morning bloating? Bloating, especially in the morning, can be caused by a host of lifestyle factors. Things you do the night before can lead to waking up with bloat the next day. They include eating your dinner too fast, drinking carbonated beverages like a can of soda, lying down right after eating a large meal right before it's time for bed, and even not drinking enough water throughout the day. What you eat can also cause you to bloat, including high-fiber foods like beans, broccoli, and salt. If you drank too much the night before, you may also wake up bloated. There are also actual medical conditions like celiac disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and gastroesophageal reflux that can lead to that morning feeling of fullness. Other more serious conditions include food allergies, intestinal obstruction, Crohn's disease, and ulcers. Some cancers also cause bloating, and each of these conditions should be treated by a doctor. Lifestyle changes can help you beat the morning bloat. If you like that hearty and healthy high-fiber diet but don't like that it causes morning bloating, you can counteract that by eating more low-sodium foods. You can also eat smaller meals throughout the day and eat your last meal several hours before bedtime for a better feeling in the morning. A regular fitness regimen can also help beat the bloat as exercise aids the digestion system. Even walking for a bit after meals helps your system run smoother. You can also drink certain teas to ease bloating, including teas made with fennel, peppermint, anise, chamomile, and turmeric. Digestive enzymes are an option as well, as they help break down foods. While you can find them in health and wellness stores, it's always best to talk to your doctor first before trying them to learn if they are absolutely necessary for your particular digestive system.